The autonomous navigation is holding steady for 651.113.
Confirmed. Actuator response is within tolerance. Platform 6651.63 is now implementing the advanced computer vision protocols.
Check the integration status on 651.94. It's showing a debug error.
I see it. Rerouting that automation. Okay, great. Flawless deployment.
Systems check complete. Safety protocols engaged.
Integration successful. The predictive models are holding steady.
This robotics development sequence showcases precision equipment automating the actuator assembly and testing protocols, ensuring operational excellence.
We've achieved a 20% efficiency gain, fundamentally changing how automation machines are built and implemented across the facility.
Verification protocol active. System 651.79 verified.
The integration is failing on the 7th axis. Check the adaptive parameters.
Rerouting the control sequence now. The deployment is fully optimized.
We have a constraint violation on axis 7.
Rerouting the trajectory now. Check the new parameters.
Robotics development sequence showing sensor fusion technologies processing motion planning algorithm optimization and refinement utilizing cutting-edge engineering equipment. Robotics development sequence showing precision robotics equipment developing precision actuator assembly and testing protocols utilizing cutting-edge engineering equipment. implementing advanced automation protocols, maintaining predictive maintenance excellence, ensuring operational excellence throughout.
Integration protocols complete. All systems nominal.
Acceptance confirmed. We are clear for deployment.
Comprehensive validation testing showing autonomous operation trials, safety protocol verification, and performance benchmarking under various conditions.
Advanced actuator response is nominal.
Confirming navigation path. The system is fully compliant with safety protocols.
Robotics development sequence showing advanced actuator technology developing autonomous navigation system configuration utilizing cutting-edge engineering equipment.
The trajectory error is recurring on module 651.24.
Adjusting the dampening coefficient now. Rerunning the sequence.
Validation complete. The deployment sequence is active across all units.
Excellent. Reliability standards are fully met.
We had a brief error on the alignment, but B just pushed the fix.
And now we have full synchronization. The deployment is successful.
Acceptance test complete. All parameters are within sustainable limits.
Excellent. We are ready for deployment.
With the safety redundancy systems installed and verified, the adaptive learning algorithms ensure operational excellence throughout the deployment.
Calibration sequence complete. AI algorithm programming is optimized. Proceeding with intelligent systems deployment. Validation complete on the alignment protocol.
Precision is within tolerance. Excellent work.
We have a conflict on subroutine 651.38.
Reroute.
The vision system is performing flawlessly.
Yes, full validation on the deployment protocols.
Computer vision integration testing and gripper calibration, utilizing cutting-edge engineering equipment, implementing advanced automation protocols.
The computer vision validation is complete.
We are seeing full synchronization across all platforms.
The validation protocols passed with flying colors. The vision system is solid.
Agreed. The precision on the docking maneuver was excellent.
Friction. We highlight artificial intelligence breakthroughs, sensor technology advancements, and mechanical engineering.
The calibration sequence is complete. The point cloud alignment is perfect.
Excellent. We are within operational parameters. Proceed with deployment.
The integration sequence looks stable now.
Predictive maintenance is green across the board, approved for deployment.